up, my loved ones? How are you? It's your girl CC. I'm just me coming at you with another mug banger. Y'all, today we have pepper steak over white rice, and we have a spinach Dijon salad. Ooh. And I bought this from the store. Has everything in there, you know, your eggs, your cheese, little cranberry. Look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Pop it right in there. They don't never give you enough. They don't never give you enough. I can see right now there's not going to be enough.
Enough garnish.
Right. And I know some people be like, that's how much it goes on a salad. You know, you ain't supposed to have your salad all with all that sauce on it. It's supposed to be a dry. I want my salad dry. I'm not. You know your girl got some more dressing in, like. And this is zesty. This is one of my favorites, y'all. Oh, and I got tea, y'all. I got tea. This is gonna be hit. Now I can tell already. Look at that. See that coating on that salad? Oh, look at that. That salad gonna be hit. Okay, that's for that. Now let's mix this pepper steak up. Let me taste. Ooh, get some rice. Look at that pepper steak. Ain't nothing like making your own pepper steak, y'all. Get that thing tender. That was good. Yo, what y'all eating? Comment below what y'all eating. And what y'all do for Valentine's Day? What y'all do for Valentine's Day? Oh, y'all, this going my salad. I'm about to miss something. It wouldn't be me if I didn't make a mess, y'all. Oh, I had to clear my mouth, y'all. Let me get into this. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And hit that notification button so you can be aware of what your girl's doing next. And don't forget to share me out. Share me out. Share your girl out. And don't forget to tell a friend to tell their friend, to tell their mama, to tell their daddy, to tell their cousin to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And y'all already know what I want y'all to do. Binge watch your girl. Binge watch your girl. Hey, binge watch your girl. Binge watch your girl. Yes. Yo. It's a little spicy. Y'all know I'm trying to get my spice level up there. So I can try the 2 times spicy. So same drain, something like that. I don't even know what it's called. Everybody be trying it. And I said I don't want to be on there looking all crazy when I try it. Look at that. A little thick. Yeah. I know somebody asked me to do a salad. I'm gonna do a salad video. So this is not the salad video. But the person asked me to do a salad video. I'm gonna do one just for you. You want some? Put some of that pepper. That steak in your life. It's all falling apart. And then like melts right in your mouth. Not extra. Nice and tender. Give me some more video ideas so I can. I know cooking vlogs are coming, y'all. All that gravy in there. This one's so good. I love the cranberries here. It gives a little tang. You see that cranberry? Give a little tang to it. Y'all, one time I had to give y'all one of these good mukbangs that y'all see behind the scenes. It's crazy behind the scenes. Got the children upstairs playing, stomping. After they finish eating, it's no holds bars, y'all. There's no holds bars for them. You gonna hear them roar. Y'all hear that noise? That's them. They finished eating. I can't wait to get some king crabs. I'm in feeding king crabs. I'm feeding crabs, period. Ever since I did that Chef Lucky video, I've been wanting crabs ever since. I don't want to go back to Chef Lucky. I'm not going to lie. This food is so good. But I'm going to go to another place that I want to try. I don't know when I'm going to go, y'all. So, can't give y'all a date when I'm going to go. Because I'm behind on mukbangs, y'all. I haven't been doing mukbangs every day. I've been doing mukbang like every 2 days. I try to do one every day so I can stock up on them. So when I gotta go to work and stuff like that, I still have a mukbang to put out for y'all. Cause y'all know I load every other day. I load every other day. Ooh. Ooh. I always get these little bowl salads. It's so easy when you go to work. If you in the house, you don't feel like cooking nothing to eat. It's a great one of them. They my to-go. That's my to-go meal. If I don't feel like fixing nothing to eat for lunch, bam. At night, when I don't feel like cooking nothing to eat, grab that right there and call it a day. And it's actually better than the lettuce, like the spinach. You get more iron. And lettuce is like water. You get a little bit more texture with this. You know spinach so high. You can buy the salad, take the spinach, make something that you want with spinach in, and put some lettuce in the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
That's what I do.
Right, see? I got like simple meals, like these bowls come in handy. Got some lettuce in the refrigerator. I'm about to make me some spinach chicken with that spinach. Throw some lettuce in here and call it a day.
Yeah.
That thing was so good. I want to know.
Yeah, lettuce still have chlorophyll in it. It's good for the body.
Yeah. That's why you can eat a lot. They be like, oh, you eat a lot of salads. You know how much salad you want. Well, y'all, I'm full. So, I don't know. I guess the rest y'all can have. Yo, that was just a bottle of water, and I put some Lipton tea in there. Bam. You know, easy peasy. The one you got from Giant, y'all. That big one you get from Giant. You know, a case of water. Easy peasy. Wow, yo. Ooh, I'm so full. I'm got the itis. I'm going upstairs and take a nap. A nap. A nap. I don't know what is wrong with me. Y'all, thanks for coming with me and chilling with me with this mug. Bang. Y'all, when I get sleepy, I get goofy. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. So say it back to me. Say it back to me. Because y'all know I love y'all. I miss y'all.